Hi, I'm Guy Cook, and I want to know if you're aware of the 4 places you can get a viewer to another video. So you've uploaded your video onto YouTube, right? But wouldn't it be nice if you could use that medium as a way to send a viewer, right? Because they're already looking at videos on YouTube. So Bazinga, I've got the Google document updated with the 4 ways and a 5th way, one that I use, so you can have a full deck of opportunities to send viewers to another video that you created.
Hi, this is Guy Cook, and the ways to get in contact with me, well, you can contact me through the GuyRCookReport.com or https://GuyRCook.com. There's a contact form there. Or you can call the new cell phone number, 509-200-1429. Look forward to talking.
Hi, the reason for this section of the video is to remind you to subscribe or at least like.
It's a wrap.